TGITF. Welcome to the slot car room. Yeah, we have a Corvette. Yeah, today is Friday. Thank God it's Takeoff Friday. And I'll be going live tonight, I guess. 7:15, I guess. Yeah. And we'll see what we're gonna do. Yeah, I guess I'll bring you around here and we'll check this bad boy out. Put her on the dyno and see how she runs. Pretty cool. It's got the Chevrolet bow tie and the windshield. Number 2. And that. He's hauling the mail there, buddy. Yeah, we got 30 out of it. I think we'll get 35, 40 out of it. Put a little oil on it. I didn't change those tires. I took these ones off. These are super tires from Hardin Creek. I don't know what the heck they were doing on that car, but I found the other pair that I was missing. There they are. This here is a Magnum 440. Yeah, we got 40 out, 45, maybe get 50. 46. A little Novus on this body. This thing's like a fan. Let me find her here in the book. There she is, number 2. That on the side, Chevy bow tie on the windshield. Number 17. Come over here to page 23. And she's an 83 Corvette. Number 17 from 83. 440 times 2. Not sure what the part number is, but it's a 4. Yellow black number 2 Vette. 6313. It's the same as 12 with the number 3 Vette. Yeah, yellow, black, red, white. Yes, sir. I would say it was 6313, but I'm not sure. Maybe these came in a twin pack. 6313 twin pack. I would say, I don't know. I did not buy them in a twin pack. Well, pretty good. Let's take her over to the track and see how she does. Yeah, she runs good. I know and a track. Wow. She sure does have good. Pretty cool car. I think I remember saying it was on a 440 times 2. The book may say that. But it has a Magnum underneath it. 440 times 2. Yeah, it's got the wrong chassis under it. It should have white wheels on it. And it should be a 440 times 2. Why it has that chassis, I have no idea. Maybe somebody was trying to get rid of their Magnums, and I do have white wheels up there, and I do have a 440 times 2. Narrow pan. Magnum. This is a Magnum. We don't want a Magnum. So I'm going to have to, that's a dang Magnum. There she is, right here. White hubs and 440 times 2. So we'll make her right now. We know this chassis runs well, runs very well. How this one here does, I'm not sure. It's got brand new tires. I bought this chassis brand new. It still has the original new old stock tires on it. And we will take those off. And we will take the fronts off too as well. And yeah, we'll put some nice new tires on this bad boy. Nice new fronts. Kind of hard doing this with you there in front of me. But yeah, there we go. Nice new tires on it. 440 times 2. White hubs. It is correct now. Yeah, we'll have to break that chassis in. And we'll let it run for a little bit and break in. Not going to hit now. 340 like that other chassis did, but she will run good. And yeah. Why don't I just bring you guys around here and we'll check the bad boy out. Alright, let's put a little oil on it and see how she does then. Nice and steady. Yeah, let's take her over to the track and see how she runs over there now. It runs well just like the 440 did. Runs real nice. Yeah. Sweet. She runs beautiful now. Those white tires on it. Woo. Yeah, she runs beautiful now. Alright, there she is in the book. She's got white hubs on her. And it has a 440 times 2 chassis on it. So yeah, we got her straightened out. And she runs awesome now. Cool looking Corvette. 83 Corvette. Made in 83. Probably late 83. And yeah, there it is. Pretty cool. Appreciate if you guys, or if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please do. I only need 3 more for 300. And yeah, leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate that too. And like I said earlier, today is Friday. I should have pick hit tonight. If not, oh well. We'll do something else then. Just have cold snacks. Just sit here and BS. Bring a list of topics you want to talk about. Alright. Appreciate you guys coming in. and we'll see you guys tonight. Later.